doing a nice job of checking everything out, including the people. Thinking about it. And Patty's doing a nice job of just relaxing and letting her dog work out his stress. How do you find it? So I'm not so sure about all this stuff. He's thinking about it. He's going to try shaping the box to see if that'll get the cookies out of Mom's hand. The answer's no. Oh, look, Mom, I found a hot dog. Awesome. Excellent job. Yeah! There we go. So you'll see that Patty really did a nice job waiting and letting her dog work out the problem. In this case, his confidence strengths. Let's check the recap. She's been working with him on this, so she can do it. All right, we're going to do one more high and then mix up these boxes again. Give me 1 second.